Start with a clean, dry surface and steady your hand before you touch the caulk gun. For beginners, set up the work area like a small assembly line, clean the joint with a stiff brush and a rag, remove old caulk with a plastic scraper, and ensure the surface is fully dry before you begin. Cut the caulk tube tip to a small opening about the size of the gap you are filling to avoid excess flow. Use masking tape placed parallel to the joint edges to create crisp lines and prevent smears, pressing the tape down firmly so no caulk bleeds under it. Apply steady pressure on the gun and move at a consistent pace while keeping the nozzle angled slightly toward the joint, aiming part of the bead into the gap rather than on the surface. Tool the bead in short sections using a damp finger or a simple plastic caulking tool, wiping the tool with a rag between passes so you do not smear old caulk. Remove the tape while the caulk is still wet to get clean edges, and allow the joint to skin over according to the product instructions before exposing it to water or paint. Common mistakes include cutting too large an opening, which leads to globby beads. Fix that by starting with a smaller cut and enlarging slightly only if needed. Another frequent issue is moving too fast and creating uneven or broken beads. Slow your motion and work in short, controlled sections so you can tool immediately. A third problem is not keeping tools and rags handy, which causes dried messes on the face of the bead. Keep a bucket of water for water-based caulk or appropriate solvent for other types, and wipe tools after every pass to maintain a smooth finish. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for interior and exterior projects relevant to ceiling and finish work. We also help contractors find leads and showcase their skills, and our site includes an active discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post photos of work so everyone can learn from real examples.